We're talking a lot about the consumer right now. Are they strong? Are they weak? Your buyers, are they still buying? Are you see any change in terms of how they're spending or whether they're ordering your cars right now?
So the order intake rate in the US is like most of our markets at the moment. It's really strong. We can see some changes in the marketplace, but more on the secondary level. Residual values, instead of being crazy and above retail like they were, they're now normalizing, but the demand is really strong still.
What's incredible about Bentley is your volume of production last year was up about 4%, but your profits were up 82%, which means you're making so much more per car.
Yep.
How are you increasing your margins per car? Is it just price increases?
No, there's about a 40% difference between the price of one of our cars average 4 years ago and today. Only about 9% of that is pricing, the rest is content. So customers are choosing one of the 62 colours, the 43 leathers that we offer, and lots of options. So it's a total shift in the configuration of the vehicle, and they're buying the top models like this speed version of the GT rather than the base version.
So they're doing their custom stitching, they want paint colors their own. This car is one of the last W12, so that's a 12-cylinder engine. You're going to go to all EV in 2030.
Yep.
Is that what your customers really want from Bentley?
Or do they want the roar? Do they want the roar?
Well, we'll see if we can make a battery roar, but let's see about it. So I think there's two different factors. First of all, we do talk to our customers. We haven't made this decision without talking to customers first. 5 years ago, only 14% of customers said that they would consider a Bentley electric in the next 5 years. 2 years ago, it was 62% of Bentley owners. 62. And we get the next survey this year, we think it will be higher, in the 70+%.
But there aren't many of these 12 cylinders left to sell. This is the last. So how many more orders will you take for this before they're all gone?
So globally, we launched this model 20 years ago, the GT, with a 12-cylinder engine. We finished building 12 cylinders in spring next year. There's about 1,500 12 cylinders worldwide in all models. That's it. They're already almost sold, and it will be the end of a great era.
So Tyler, if you want your roar, get it soon.
What is is this your biggest seller, the SUV?
It is. That's
I
about
remember when you
45.
came out with it, I think I had the pleasure of driving it, and one of the security gentlemen up there was asleep when I came back in. I couldn't get back in. But anyhow, that's your biggest seller.
It is 45% of sales.
And what would this car retail for?
Around $300,000 to $400,000, depending on, again, on specification.
On what you've loaded it up with.
Yeah.
Would you ever pursue the spin? I mean, Ferrari's spin out from Fiat, I think it was, has been one of the most successful spin outs of all time. Would that ever be a Bentley template to follow from Volkswagen?
I think Porsche's IPO last year, which is also the most successful IPO of the year, obviously did a lot of good for the company. It hasn't changed the value of the group share so much, but for Porsche it's been fantastic. But there's no plans for separation of the group. Our strength is when we're together, and we get huge benefits from being one conglomerate.
And you're also a window into wealth around the world. What are you seeing in China right now with the reopen? Are those wealthy consumers really coming back in the market, or, as we're seeing some suggestions, is a little more subdued than some people expected?
For us, so far so good. If we look at before COVID, we were running at about 150 orders a month. After the first wave of COVID, 300 orders a month. And the last couple of months, it's been higher than that. So it went down, but it's bounced back massively. So this year to date is phenomenal for us.
Are you going to move, before you move sort of all electric in 2030, is there a transition engine style that you're going to use, like a plug-in hybrid or what?
Yeah. So we'll partly electrify every powertrain. They'll have a lot more power than today's cars, but that will be in the next 2 to 4 years where that happens. And then successively we'll launch one car in 26, and then every year until 2030, and then we're fully electric.
You can make your cars carbon neutral. Can you make your factories?
Already has been since 2018. And so is the dealer network in America, Europe, including the UK, and we'll be globally carbon neutral retailers by the end of 24.
Can we take it to Chick-fil-A?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
Are you going to get in a car and go?
Yeah, I think we're gonna drive up.
I guess I better move out of the way then.
You're going to drive away here?
I'm going. I'm coming.
Adrian, what did we say? Something wrong? What was it? We don't get to drive it.
I think the color is so attractive.
The color is awesome. The color is really pretty. I've seen a lot of these on the road. How many of these do you sell a year, this particular model?
So of the GT convertible, it's about 2,000 cars a year.
You think Robert's going to be able to know how to start it? Does he know? We're going to find out here in a minute.
Just watch your toes.
Oh, listen to that.
Watch your toes as you
You're gonna miss this. As Trace Atkins sings, you're gonna miss this. There it goes. You're gonna miss that sound. All right, be good. Have fun, kids. Bring it back by midnight.
Okay, easy. Oh my God.
Whoa, man. That is awesome stuff right there. Adrian, it's been great having you with us. Continued good luck with Bentley, with the brand, and
Thank you.
And good fortune, as many of your customers have already had. Good fortune. All right, that'll do it for Power Lunch.